What's going on, Silent Hyperdrive family? Back with another episode. This time, we're back with a drone review. This time, we're going to go over all of the drone drills we practiced. The 20-second hover, the 60-second hover, the four-corner drills, as well as the yaw control. So, stick around, see where my practice has been leading me. This is Silent Hyperdrive, signing out. And as always, I will put up wind conditions on left or right side of your screen. And just for posterity, or just for the record, I do not have a GPS on this drone. This is all manual flight. "20 seconds in the bag. Let's land and reset. "60 seconds completed. Let's land, reset." Yeah, I've been working on that landing too. Alright, reset, and we're gonna start getting into some tougher stuff. Next up, let's go with yaw control. I told you, yaw control is my nemesis. Let's reset, and we'll try this. Give me 1 second. Let's get the data on this. Let me reset, change the battery, and we'll give it another shot. Alright, we're going to go four corners right now because the wind conditions is kicked up. This drone being so cheap, it's a little hard to control in the wind. So, and as you can see it's leaning hard. Look at that, look at that. So, let's do the four corners. Here we go, four corners, starting in left. Upper left corner, here we go. Hopefully we can get it. It's kind of hard to control the wind. flag fell down. All right, we're gonna have to redo this, and we're gonna have to finish the rest of the drills because the weather's too windy. So, yeah, it's windy. Ah, the wind died down a little bit. So I'm gaining a little control back here. Let's see. Which is good because I'm glad it's windy. I get to practice a little bit better. Central, see. Let's see. I say for being windy, not too bad. Let's land it. Oh, that's windy. Let's land it. Look at it. Yeah, that landing is getting better, ladies and gentlemen. You do see it. Come on. Come in. Comment below if you see the improvement on this landing. Just a little bit. All right. Let me reset, and we're going to tackle this yaw control because, yeah, I'm kind of pleased with where we're going right now. So let me reset, get my thoughts together, get my mind right, and then get into this. Give me a second. All right, here we go. All right, so we're back. Let's round 3 ski. Yeah, I don't know if that works, but we're going to do round 3, get this yaw control down. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. The wind said, no, you're not. Easy, nice way. Like I said, this thing is no GPS and the wind is freaking. Hit a tree. Give me a second. My battery's gone low. It was too much work against the wind. The headwind ran that battery down. But I'm going to say that this was good. This is proof that practice is getting better. I'm not saying I'm 100% good, because by any means will I say that I am that. But I will say that this review shows that I am improving, that I am getting better. So this does say that Silent Hyperdrive, you got to move up, man. You got to step up your game with these drones, because it doesn't work with this weather. The wind, it's not strong enough. It's too lightweight. So, friends, stick around. I hope you're enjoying this so far. I'm getting better with this drone. This drone was a cheap one, but the next one, oh, it's better. It's better. It's new to me. It's not new out on the market, but it's new to me. So, yeah, we're going to make it do what it do. So, with that being said, stick around, family. We're only going up and better from there. So, like always, keep flying.